Which pole is colder, the North Pole or the South Pole? South Pole. What is Earth often called because it has so much water? The blue planet. Which organ helps clean the blood in our body? Liver. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. What is a baby giraffe called? Calf. What is the hardest part of the human body? Tooth enamel. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? Pacific. What do fireflies use to produce light? Their abdomen. Which continent is the largest in the world? Asia. What is the largest land animal in the world? Elephant. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. Which U.S. state is separated from the others? Alaska. What is the main job of a queen bee? To lay eggs. In which city can you find the Mona Lisa? Paris. What is the national animal of Canada? Beaver. What does our skin protect us from? Germs. What is the capital city of Japan? Tokyo. What is a very famous tower in Paris called? Eiffel Tower. Which drink is a good source of calcium? Milk. What do most sharks use to breathe? Gills. What is a common feeling when someone is stressed? Worry. Where do emperor penguins live? Antarctica. What is the soft mineral made from carbon? Graphite. What is the main function of our ears? Hearing. What is the capital city of Italy? Rome. What is the smallest country in the world? Vatican City. Which fruit is famous for having vitamin C? Orange. What do dogs do with their tongue to cool down? Pant. What is a famous wall in China? The Great Wall. Which continent uses the euro? Europe. What gives dark chocolate its bitter taste? Cocoa solids. Which word means the opposite of under? Over. What part of the body protects the heart and lungs? Rib cage. What is the name of the large rainforest in South America? Amazon rainforest. What is the main ingredient in traditional sushi? Fish. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. What do bees collect from flowers? Nectar. What is watermelon mostly made of? Water. Which organ stores the bile that helps digest fat? Gallbladder. What is a group of dolphins called? Pod. What do we call the remains of ancient living things? Fossils. What is a long, thin type of pasta? Spaghetti. On which continent is Singapore located? Asia. What is a common example of an amphibian? Frog. What can be used to cut a diamond? Another diamond. What do cows eat a lot of? Grass. What is 100 centimeters equal to? One meter. Which food is a good source of protein? Eggs. What gives blood its red color? Red blood cells. What is the taste of a lemon? Sour.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos.
Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.